on, guys? I haven't made a video in a little while, so I kind of figured I got the day out today. I'm gonna get some stuff done. It's gonna be a quick vlog. It's not gonna be very long. Today I just have a lot of homework to do. Got some college stuff to take care of. But we're gonna start out. Right now it's about 12:30. We're gonna start out by bringing the car in the garage. I gotta do some stuff to it. By the way, I'm selling the Cavalier, so if anybody wants it, they can come get it. It's gonna be, I want it gone, so you guys can come. If anybody wants it, hit me up. Yeah, and it looks like the Roomba had some mishaps. It got itself stuck. Stuck pretty good. Yeah, that's a problem. Alright, so the Cavi's now in the garage. Basically what we're going to be doing to it today is, so I've been having issues with the drive shaft, particularly on the driver's side. So basically what I've been doing is actually, if you look at the car, the wheel should be pretty much flush with the body. But right now it's knocked in a little bit, and that's because the drive shaft, for some reason, keeps on popping out. So by knocking the wheel in, it pushes the drive shaft in further. Now, I went over to Andrew's house. I don't know if you guys saw that vlog, but I went over to Andrew's house and we put some wheel spacers on it. So that should, or some hub spacers, my apologies. That should solve our problem. So I'll be able to knock this wheel back out, and then it should drive straight again. Like right now, if you look at the steering wheel, it's actually, no, you can't see it. It's angled a little bit to the left. And when I'm driving down the road, it's angled even more to the left. And that's because the alignment is now thrown off. So hopefully by pulling that wheel back out, it should drive like a normal car. Even though this is not a normal car. It's a pile of shit. But first things first, I'm going to go eat lunch. I haven't eaten anything today, so yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I'll come out here, take care of this. And then it'll pretty much just be me inside working on my computer. So I just finished with my lunch. I was only inside for probably a half hour. There was ice all over this. It all slid down here, and this is where I have to work. This is gonna suck. But in any case, I'm starting to get started on this thing so I can get it on Craigslist and out of my life. I have never wanted an object out of my life so bad. And it seems like whenever I've tried to sell this in the past, something breaks, something starts leaking, and then I gotta put more money in it, so I just want it gone now. Now that it's functioning properly, I just want it gone. But this should be the very last time I put this stupid car up on a jack stand and take it apart. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. But here we go. Also, I have not done some 3D printing for a while, so I fired up the old 3D printer. I'm gonna be printing off something to hold my wallet, my gum, yeah. I have this habit of putting my wallet and my gum in places I can't find them later on. So yeah, I'm just gonna make something like that. That was a failed print, but yeah. Worst part about it is though, still has 9 hours left. Finished up with that work, and then posted the Cavalier for sale. So yeah, now it's official. It's up. Yeah.